Hey Tyler, this is what happens when your air conditioner installer is so stupid cheap he didn't bother to glue a bunch of these connections. And so what happens? For 10 years I've been fighting high humidity in this house. And what's happening? This thing is dripping, dripping, dripping so bad that the whole inside cavity was 2 inches full of water because of 10 cents worth of glue he couldn't have the time to do. Oh God, I can't believe this. Just can't believe it. And who was installer? Orlando, Florida. Wonderful guy.